tell you a secret?
You don't have to spend a lot of money to make your home more appealing to buyers. Consider these lower cost projects that can still fetch you top dollar for your home. Hey guys, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty. Let's dive in. New interior paint. Most homes have natural wear and tear, a few dings on the walls or nail holes remaining where art used to hang. These imperfections are particularly noticeable in marketing photos and virtual tours. A new coat of paint gives your home a fresh and updated look for shoppers. According to the 2020 Zillow Group report, 35% of sellers paint their home's interior before selling.
What else you got? Hit me.
Generally speaking, stick to neutrals: gray, beige, or grayish walls and white trim. The Zillow 2021 paint color analysis found that homes with light blue bathrooms sell for a $2,700 premium. The Zillow paint study also found white is the best color for kitchens, gray is well suited to living rooms, and dark blue bedrooms appeal to most home buyers. Moving on to curb appeal. The first thing buyers will see both online and in person is your home's exterior. Whether they're viewing your exterior photo in an online listing, driving by, or attending a private tour or open house, it's absolutely essential that your home makes a good first impression.
You can say that again, pal.
Painting your front door can have a big impact. In a Zillow 2018 paint color analysis, homes with charcoal, smoky black, or jet black front doors sold for a whopping $6,200 premium.
Wow, that's amazing.
Making the entire exterior pop with a new coat of paint can help too. In a survey of Zillow Premier agents, 77% recommended sellers paint their home. Can you guess the last one? It rhymes with darts. If you guessed smart home technology, you're right. According to the Zillow Group Report 2020, 41% of Generation Z buyers and 47% of millennials rate smart home technology as highly important in their home search. Smart thermostats are a popular and relatively easy addition. Research finds homes that mention smart lights in their listing description sold 7 days faster than expected.
Wow, that's great.
So, in summary, new interior paint, curb appeal, and smart home technology are 3 low-cost home improvements that will boost your home's value for resale. Be on the lookout for part 2 of best low-cost home improvements for 2022 in my next video.